Brittany Cheryl, stay put in there, okay? I'll just go to Dexter's house because he's inviting me for a adobo session lunch, okay? Because his brother has a birthday and then he invited me just this midnight. Bye for now. Hold on, okay? Hi there guys and girls, good day to every one of you. As what you have heard, I'll be having my lunch nearby here in my neighbor Dexter. And you know what, adobo is one of my favorite, and according to him, he really cooks good when it comes on adobo. We're almost the same the way he cooked, but of course mine is the best adobo in the whole town. So how are you all doing? Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to every one of you, and to all my silent subscribers out there. Hi. To all my Facebook viewers, to all my followers, to each and every one of you, to my mother Emilio Abordo and Helen Careto. Purok Dawson Broccoli guys with you. Here I am, oh gosh. And all my 16 lovely countries. There he is. I think they are still busy. We'll just wait here. He told me to come back here by 11:40. Bye for now.